Alright, here's my next boiler. If you have a steam engine in the 3 to 5 horsepower range, this boiler will work good on that. It's about 80 inches tall to the top of the stack. The boiler itself is 32 inches tall, and it has 32.5-inch copper tubes rolled in, and the firebox is 24 square. Really big gauge. I think this gauge should be removed once it's moved, because the vibration from how heavy it is might break the threads here. So what you would do is turn off this valve here, and while it's got steam in it, before it loses its steam, just unscrew the gauge and take it off. Pop-off valve is set at 100 right there. Fill and drain is right here. You can blow it down occasionally, maybe once a week. It's got a really nice electric pump on it, right there. Pumped right into the bottom of the boiler. I've got a really nice switch here. Be careful that any of this doesn't get near the firebox, because it'll melt it. Oh, here's the airlock valve. Now everything is pumping into the boiler. Really nice whistle on it. Turn down your volume, it's going to be loud. Got your tricocks here. I only use 2 of them though. Water sight glass. Big firebox. I'll turn on the blower right here. Use a lot of air. See there when I put new wood in. I only use it for a few minutes or less. You know, a minute or less. It only takes a little while. You can hear the pump pumping here. But yeah, always keep this cord away from that firebox. The boiler's okay, but this is your engine out here. A 1/2-inch pipe. So you only want to have that pump on a little bit, because you don't want to kill the steam. Put too much water in it. This may be the last one for a while. I've got 3 of them for sale right now, and material costs have just gone through the roof since the election. My name is Ross Bendixen. My phone number is 206-948-0770. If you're interested in buying it, I sell them on eBay. My email address is anacortesteam, ANACORTESSTEAM, all one word, at gmail.com. And the ash pan is right down here. Kind of hot, but it's right there. It slides in and out. Works good. Okay, so other things I'll be doing on here. This valve, I'll remove it once I know that the pop-off valve works properly. And this one, this valve inside of here works really good, so I'll probably remove this valve as well, because I know it holds steam pressure. All right, give me a call if you're interested in this. You can also find my work on eBay. Just search steam off grid, and they'll take you to all my work. I'm the only one in the United States selling these in steam engines. Thanks for watching.